Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are doing a bit of an unboxing of something I always wanted, and I told myself, you know what, if I'm by the means to get it for myself, I'm gonna get it for myself. Also, there's a little background story as to why it pushed me and motivated me. Two things, but I'm very excited to unbox this. I just hope that it works the way I want it to work, you know? So without further ado, drum roll please. We are unboxing my hey hey my wait for it, my new vacuum mop, brush, cleaner, everything electronic. We're living in the new era where these things are becoming the norm. Yeah, so let's unbox my new baby. Woo! Nice bubble popping. Oh, that's nice. I'll do that later. Oh, when I'm stressed. It's called a robot vacuum. Oh man.
We didn't unbox this baby. Alright, I'm just gonna take this over and just
So 3 weeks ago I was still mopping and boom, my mop decided to break. I guess it was a sign that time, like, it's time. Oh gee. And another thing, like the other story behind the story is that I have a grandmother. Now my grandmother, I am most now the youngest grandchild. So, you know, I grew up in front of them and everything, and you know, so most of the time she thinks, because my name is Lucinda, she thinks I'm Cinderella, and I am not Cinderella. So I like cleaning, but I don't like cleaning where I did not dirty, you know. So to just ease the mopping and sweeping tension between the two of us, this can work for the both of us. So hopefully this can make my life easier in terms of my grandmother and mopping the floors. Oof. Hello. 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 I'm first going to test it out by me, obviously. Oh, this thing is heavy. So I think this is the main queen. Here she is. Hello, should we call her name? It must be definitely a her. So it's called a Robot Vacuum E10. Oh, nice, soft. And I like the fact that it's black, you know. And ooh, Oh! Hi. And it's so nice and rubbery. Oh my word. This is what fancy life is like. Ah! You buy for your robot vacuums where you don't have time for cleaning and cleaning. You let the robots do it. The new era lifestyle is. I like that I'm living in this time of technology era. It is for me. It's definitely for me. So I must figure out what all these little things. Ooh, these little things as the purpose is, you know. You'll find the purpose. This is what is this? Oh, this is when they mop the floors. Nice. It's like it feels like a microfiber, like towel thingy majingy, and it comes off, I guess, so I can wash it myself. Like, ooh, I like that. I like that. I like that. And then this is probably the charger thingy. I'm not sure. Yeah. Remove the protective film before use. We're gonna remove it. 1, 2, 3. Ooh. Ooh. Mensa. Ooh. I like this. Ooh, I'm loving this. I can't wait to try it. Okay, here's the charger. Not sure if I must charge it first for use. Okay, this is all of that. Let's pack that away. And I think I saw something else in the box. Yes, this is what we want. Instructions. So I'm just quickly gonna read the instructions and we'll get this baby on just now. I'm very excited. Can we just take a moment? Just take a moment to be thankful for technology. Thankful for the person who was lazy once upon a time, who thought of, you know what, there's a robot for creating a robot vacuum to actually like clean these things. Let's take a moment of thankfulness for me being able to get this, for myself to be in that position, you know, not taking anything for granted. And yeah, so let's just enjoy it. Let's just enjoy it. Let's enjoy it. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Woo! If my mom see this video, my mom's gonna be upset about me doing these type of things. My mom is not a fan of me doing such things, you know. But I mean, it's the new era, girl. Tag along. So let me take a few minutes and read the instructions, and I'll see you guys when this thing is doing its job. Thank you for unboxing with me. Okay, so this thing just spoke now, and I don't want you to miss anything. So
Starting to charge.
now there it said starting to charge. Ooh, this thing is talking to me. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it to charge. You can see there the light is flashing. because I'm just gonna quickly clip this thing on before starting. Thing goes on there. Yeah, like that. Perfect. Okay, let's see. Okay.
Start to vacuum all areas. Please download and connect to the Mi Home app to explore more functions.
Okay, guys. I'm just skipping this stuff at the moment. Oh shit. Do your thing, girl. Okay, you might continue. So,
About to return to the dock to charge.
why? Okay, let's see. Girl, your house isn't there, your house is there. See if you know where your house is. Girl, what are you doing?
About to return to the dock to charge.
Girl, you don't know where your house is, eh? I'm trying to pause.
Stop vacuuming.
Maybe I should take this off. So you can see. Let's see.
About to return to the dock to charge.
Gorgeous. There you go, there you go.
Starting to charge.
Oh, she's clever. Okay, I'm gonna have to wait for it to charge again, but I had to literally do all of this, and now she's charging. Wow. So while she's charging, let me take this one off also. The girl is not done charging, so hopefully she does the job now. Much. Oh, what a lie. Check the out, mister. I think we must call it a he, because he's doing the job very halfway.
Yeah, mister. Do your job properly. It's not taking to be a E.
Oh shit. Don't die, don't die. What is that? It missed something. Oh yeah, no. Cleaning all the hookies. Nej, boy. Jo, nej. Boy. That is the hookie, man. Just go straight. Yeah. No. Yay. This thing is struggling here. Like, as I can help you. Sorry. I'll close the gate now. What are you doing? There's a spiral vacuuming is like in a circle, and then the circle just gets bigger. Oh, it's gonna go again. Been walking on the tiles and sock test. OMG. Okay, I'm gonna put the mopping on now. So I'm about to put on the mopping function. So I'm gonna clip this out like that, and look at all that dirt in there. Oh my word. Like, is this all of my dirt? Seriously? Okay, let me just take it out. Okay, so to take out, see, this was here, and then, oh no, this was not even the mat. This is just my tiles. Oh my word, I can't believe this. I thought my floors were clean, but I mean, what is this? That's crazy. Anyway, let's do the mopping function. So as per instructions, it says before using the mopping function, remove the 2-in-1 dust compartment with the water tank before adding water. Do not add liquid. Wara wara. So that means that, like I just did now, and take this out of here. So we're adding in the water on the side. So it's dipped in, and see the water, and then I need to add the mopping function thingy. This thing, so but it says that before each use, damp the mop pad to prevent odor. So that's what you need to do before you clip it in. Just wait it, I guess. We are wetting it. I'm gonna add a little bit of muscle to that. Like that much. Oops. And then we're just gonna lightly squeeze. And there we go. So done and dusted, and the mopping, okay, it's clipped in this way like that. Yeah, perfect. So let's get this baby started. Ooh, sorry, starting from there. Okay, there we go. Oops. I need to go on my phone quickly on the app and say start mopping.
Turning on.
Okay, let me feel. Okay, it's wet. Sheet mopping. There is an option to mop and vacuum, but I just chose the mopping option. Because I just vacuumed, so I don't think it needs to be mopped. Oh, nice. I love this thing. Let's see. Can you see how my tiles are blinking? Yes, Queen. I love this for me. What are you spitting out? Oh, there's still dirt there. Oh, I love this. Okay, I'm gonna go and relax. Let this thing do its thing. There she goes. It smells so nice. Can you see the difference? Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Because the baby found its way back, and the floors are, it's done. It's finished. It's beautiful. Yeah. It's still a bit wet, as you can see. I don't know if you can see that little piece there. But yeah. Happiness in a jar. So, like, honest review, I'll give the Robot Vacuum Mop like give it a nice solid 8, because it does do its job. It's just when it like mops, and then when it bumps against things, it struggles to get like out of that situation. It takes like a while to get out of the situation, but it eventually does. And yeah, overall I think it's a solid 8. A solid 8. Yeah.